How to fix cannot connect. Here are some ways to try. So what you guys gotta do is click cancel, 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 get out of this. Oh, I have a game in the back. Super sorry for that. Let me close this game real quick. Well, what you guys gotta do is go to Windows, search up services, guys. Services. When you guys do search up services, you guys will have this pop up. Let me make a full screen so we don't see the game. Look for Bluetooth. When you guys do see Bluetooth right here, double click on it, click it, click automatic, and make sure it says running, guys. If it says stop, make sure to click start and then click apply, guys. Do this with everything. For the Bluetooth, automatic start, apply, and then of course this one too, guys. Let me do that real quick and apply. Alright, guys, after that, guys, go to your settings, guys. When you guys go to your settings, and restart your PC, guys. To restart your PC, click the Windows button, click power button, restart. And if that does not work after, guys, you guys go to find your settings. You guys go to troubleshoot settings. Alrighty, guys. When you guys go to troubleshoot settings, you guys go to other troubleshoot settings, and then you guys look for other. Look for Bluetooth. You click run. Here, this will pop up. Here it says searching. Here it says, do you have a problem? Yes, I have a problem. Continue. Please wait while we check the pending windows. You know, this checks it for you guys, and that's all you guys gotta do. Thank you guys so much for watching. Drop a like, subscribe, and hit the bell, guys. And when this happens, guys, like I said, if the first method did not work, guys, this will fix it no matter what, guys. But the first method should work. Just don't forget to restart your PC before you do this method. And here it says check Windows update. Nice. And it says boom. We should be good, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good rest of your day. Peace.